there's a nice flat sheltered area that we can come down here. We're just going to follow this valley. It was so funny.
Hi everyone, so this video is going to be all about my first ever experience into the Drakensberg mountains on a hiking trip. It was a 3-day hiking trip into the mountains, and so what we did was, me and my mum, we took a shuttle down to OR Tambo International Airport, where we caught a flight down to Durban. We spent the night there. The following morning we took a little stroll on the beach, and then I caught a lift down to the mNweni Hiking Cultural Center, where we met up with the rest of the crew and our guide Michaela from Pathfinders SA. Now I highly recommend you go check her out. I will have a link to her Instagram and also her website down in the description. So let's get into the video and see what happened. And yeah, so the time came to say goodbye to Mum, and then I caught a lift with the lovely Dunay, who was gracious enough to give me and Jean a lift to the mNweni Hiking Cultural Center, where we met up with the rest of the crew and our guide Michaela for a lovely evening. And then the following morning, Michaela gave us a quick presentation and explained our set route before we hit the dirt road and start the journey.
Here. There's 2 caves nearby which we can have, and we have our major climb. So you can see how close the contour lines are nicely, which we can actually kind of make out from our. We're going to spend the night there, or we're going to come across to one cave and spend the night there. And then we are going to be descending Rockery's Path. We're behind this lovely thing, and then we're going to walk all the way out here. yellow ridge, little like hunting thing, and we're just going to follow this valley all the way in.
How far from it?
Not far actually, so come across here, and then do you see where that kind of, those two mountains form a valley directly in front of us? Yeah. Yes, there's a bush in the middle, and there's a rock.
So on the second night, after we set up camp, we went to experience the most beautiful sunset from on top of the mountain. We then headed back to the cave to catch an early dinner before we got ready to settle in for the night. The following morning, we were greeted with the most beautiful sunrise as we woke up above the clouds. We then packed up, got ready, and started our descent back down. Okay everyone, so that was my first ever experience into the Drakensberg mountains, following the mNweni pass and then coming down Rockery's pass. Now, as I mentioned in the beginning, I booked with Pathfinders SA, who is run by Michaela, who was our guide on this particular hike. And she's just this wonderful, magical person who has a deep love for nature and for the mountains. And you can feel it as you hike with her through the mountains. And you feel extremely safe on this hike with her. She has a lot of knowledge about the area and also about the history about the mountains, and you learn so much about it. I highly recommend you go and check her out on Instagram and also on our website, which I will link in the description. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to hit subscribe and hit the like button. I would really appreciate it. And then I'll see you in the next one.